Ang inyong maririnig sa programang ito ay pawang opinyon lamang o pananaw ng isang host programmer.
Wellness Pilipinas in Action. Alright! Magandang hapon po muli sa inyo lahat. Muli po inyong lingkod si Doug Bong Ramirez sa programang Wellness Pilipinas in Action. Dito lang po yan sa BBM Media, kay Bayanihan Broadcast Media, na kung saan ating pasasalamat muna sa ating paglalawig sa himpapawid ang ating mga gwapo at machong IT at engineer sa ating technical. Okay, maraming salamat po. At syempre pasasalamat natin kay Ma'am Nelly, kay Ma'am Tanya, kay Sir Johnson, kay Sir Ambo, at syempre po sa ating Vice President and Station Manager, si Sir Benny Mangidem. At syempre po sa ating Chairman, walang iba kundi si Chairman Efren Rafanan. Maraming salamat po. At ang pagbati natin sa ating mga wellness practitioner, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, maging sa international. Kasama niyo po kami sa paglalawig sa himpapawid, lalong higit po paghahatid ng wellness sa mga kababayan natin. At syempre po binabati po natin si Sir John Muit. Okay, eto na naman ang energetic at poging si Doug Bong, yung tinutukoy niya. At syempre si Sir Noel kay Buhia. Okay, magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Kay nanonood from Taguig. At syempre po, okay, makasama po natin ngayon sa studio ay si Sir Orly Besmonte, si Ma'am Evelyn Besmonte, at syempre po straight from India with love, walang iba kundi si Sir Nisles Patrawala. Naku, napakagandang lalaki nito, grabe. Kaya ang advantage lang, limited ang Tagalog version, mas maraming English. Kaya po ngayon, handa na po ninyo ang nosebleed ninyo, pati tenga nyo, dudugo. At syempre, pasasalamat muna po natin at mamaya po makakapanayin po natin straight from Saudi Arabia. Naku po, yung isang gold medalist. At kasama po yan sa Wellness Pilipinas team, walang iba kundi si Ma'am Iman. Ayan, makakasama po natin yan, ha. At mamaya po ipa-plug din po ni Coach Gaston ng kanyang programa para po sa ating mga senior citizen. Kaya po doon sa lahat na nagtatangkilik at nanonood ng programang ito, maaari nyo pong ibahagi para po sa ganon, ikadila di masaksihan pag-usapan ang tungkol sa wellness kay mission sa buhay natin. At syempre po, ang ating butin at napakahusay pagdating sa insurance at gabay ng isang padre di pamilya, ang pagbati natin kay Sir Mike Kapati. Napakahusay. Okay. At syempre po makakasama po natin yan sa mga susunod dito. Mga payong kaibigan, paano po maging magkaroon ng katiyakan sa inyo pong buhay. Para kapag kayo po'y pumanaw na, ay meron pa pong pwedeng gamitin ang inyong mga mahal na iiwan para naman may pantustos sila. At syempre, okay, i-interviewin muna natin yung ilan sa mga guest natin ngayon. Okay? Yung mic po, pwede po ninyo kunin yung mic. Si Sir Orly, kay yung isang mic sa inyo na ni Ma'am Evelyn. Tapos yung isa kay Sir Nilesh. Yan. Alright. Bago po tayo magsimula sa ating Wellness Pilipinas in Action, introduce muna natin yung ating mga guests. Okay, actually po, dito po kami magkakaroon ng meeting di avance. Alright, from kay Ma'am Evelyn. Ma'am Evelyn, buong pangalan at bakit po kayo nasa larangan ng wellness practices o wellness advocate? Ano po ba masasabi nyo dyan, ma'am? Go ahead.
So, magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Evelyn Bismonte from Bacoor, Cavite. Yan. Napasok po ako sa wellness. Siyempre, of course, gusto ko pong mapanatili yung good health.
Yes.
Siyempre, sa aking buong pamilya, una sa lahat, siyempre, buong pamilya. And then, makapag-share din sa mga kaibigan, of course. Yan. Yun po yun.
Yan po si Ma'am Evelyn Besmonte. Dating girlfriend ni Sir Orly at ngayon po'y asawa na niya. Teka lang, hindi pa tapos si Ma'am Evelyn. Ma'am Evelyn, ano ba nagustuhan mo sa gwapong si Sir Orly Aber?
Yun po yung hindi ko rin po alam.
Dako, yari. Mukhang magkakabistuhan tayo dito, ha? Babalikan natin yan kasi tatalakayin natin yan mamaya sa family, relationship, and sex. Yun. O ngayon muna, introduce muna natin si Sir Noli Besmonte. Sir Noli, Orly pala. Oh, kamusta po kayo, Sir Orly?
Okay naman.
O, ilapit niyo po yung mic, sir.
Okay naman po sa ngayon. Sa tulong at gabay ng ating Panginoon, natili po tayong malakas at malusog.
Very good.
Salamat sa ating Panginoon.
Okay. Ano po nagustuhan sa inyo ni Ma'am Evelyn?
Siguro po, para sa akin, ang kanyang nagustuhan, siguro isa ako sa mga talagang, hindi man tayo nagbubuhat ng ano, pero sabi ko nga, nung time na makilala ko siya, siguro, yun na yun, siya na yung the best na babae para sa buhay ko. Ayan, di ba?
Oh, ano ba yan? From the heart ba yan?
From the heart po yan. Kasi, yan, alam natin na hindi tayo pwede magsinungaling dahil sabi nga, pwede tayong makalim sa ibang tao pero sa Panginoon, hindi pwede tayong maglihim.
Naniniwala ko kasi binanggit mo yung pangalan ng Panginoon. At syempre po, straight from India, okay, our good friend, okay, Sir Nilesh, will you introduce your name and why you are doing wellness?
Yes, first of all, it's my pleasure to be here with Dr. Bong, and we are excited here to be with Doctor. And let me tell you, I cannot understand the local language here, but still, I'm so happy and excited to see people laughing and enjoying this event and enjoying this show. Well, my name is Nilesh Patrawala and I am from India. I belong to the western part of India, and I take a lot of interest in healthcare and wellness.
Are you married?
Yes, of course I'm married. I have a son who is 27 years old.
Okay, only one son?
Yes, only one son, yeah.
My goodness. If I'm that handsome like you, I have to have 1 dozen.
Okay.
Hawakan mo lang yung mic, wag ka magpadali kasi kayo gigisahin namin mamaya. Okay, so how long have you been in the wellness industry?
Almost since 2009, I've been involved in the wellness industry, and
so you are a consultant then?
Yes, I am a consultant for wellness.
Do I speak good English now?
Yes, you do speak good English now.
Wow. So in the next few days, I will make this program as English language. Are you going to go with me?
Yes, I would definitely. If you speak in English, you know, we can also let our viewers from India who would like to like to know more about healthcare and wellness, because ultimately wellness is the most important thing.
Yeah.
Because wellness is, I think so. That's the real wealth which anybody can have.
That's right. It means that health is the real property. All
Absolutely,
right?
health is wealth.
Okay, thank you, Sir Nilesh. And we are so proud that you are able to come and we able to greet some of our friends, not only in the Philippines, because we are internet-based, so it means this is already a worldwide discussion. Okay, so you can greet anyone. You want to greet your wife?
I don't think so. I had sent her a link, but I don't know whether she is here. But if she's listening,
at least when she gonna watch it later on,
later
and then
on,
it means you never forget her.
Absolutely.
Even if you are here in the Philippines.
No, even she is there. She has come here with me in the Philippines. She's at the office, and
right now.
Yes, right now she's at the Philippines office, and right now she must be waiting for me, to come back.
Okay, that would be great. So it means with the wellness that you are doing right now, is your partner, is your wife doing the wellness industry together?
Yes, we are together. Both are involved in this wellness and nutrition program. So we are both very much health conscious people.
Wow. Watch out, because we are about to talk about the practices in India, okay, homeopathy, and the other one is
yes,
Ayurvedic.
Ayurvedic.
Wow.
That's a very traditional technique which a lot of Indians use right now, even in the remote villages.
Right.
There are a lot of people who are using this Ayurvedic medicine, and the best part about Ayurveda, the Indian Ayurveda, is that it addresses the problem from the roots.
Root cause.
Root cause.
Not just the symptoms.
Not just the symptoms,
All
but
right.
it addresses to the roots. So
That's right.
That's a very important technique which we have in India.
Yes. So don't go away because this is a very important discussion. Okay, we about to teach you how could you use yung bakot, kusina at bakuran nyo gagamitin nating klinika at butika palunas sa inyong mga karamdaman. At syempre po sa ating paglalawig, babatiin muna natin straight from Daet, Camarines Norte, si Ma'am Nancy Ting. Hello po, good afternoon Doc Bong. Hi po sa lahat ng mga guests. At syempre po si Reggie Mangahas, ang malagaling na profesor. Okay, ang ginuntuang profesor. At syempre po si Jeveline Divina, si Teresita Mercado, at si Ray Jan Salve Bufete na nanonood po ngayon sa ating programa. Happy watching kay BR Guest. Kaya po antabayanan po namin kung kailan po kayo dito. Maaari kayo magiging guest namin dito sa Wellness Pilipinas kung kayo po ay Western Medicine Practitioner. Kung kayo naman po ay Eastern Medicine Practitioner, paghahandaan na po natin dahil sa mga susunod po na mga araw, magkakaroon na po tayo ng 2 radio station at syempre po 3 TV network. At ang ating priority syempre po dito sa BBM Media. Okay, dahil dito po makita nyo ang dami pong gagawin. Magkakaroon po tayo ng libreng gamutan dito. Okay, pinag-uusapan na namin kung kailan. Okay, once a week po ito ng libreng gamutan sa ating mga kababayan. At ang good news noon, meron na po tayong mga sponsor na pwede magbigay ng panlunas sa inyong mga karamdaman na maibsan ang inyong mga problemang pangkalusugan. Kaya po, samahan niyo po kami. Kaya kapag kayo po ay merong mga kakayahan sa larangan po ng gamutan, kay maging bahagi po kayo ng layunin ng CIA. Okay? Ang laging aming mithiin, makapaglingkod sa mas nakakarami at magiging biyaya sa lahat na nakataong na umaasa kay sa larangan ng gamutan na gagawin po ng Wellness Pilipinas. At syempre po, nagpapasalamat ngayon pa lang si Sir Reggie kay Mangahas. At syempre po, ang magandang lalaki na si Sir Tony de la Peña Arsenal na kasama ko po bilang broadcaster din at membro ng Liga ng mga Broadcaster sa Pilipinas. At syempre po kay Sir Alex Jesus Victoria, nanonood. At syempre si Coach Gaston na nanonood na rin dyan. At ganun din po si Ray Jan Salve Bufete, kilala nyo ba yun? Yes. Kay yan ay po kasama nyo po sa hanap buhay. Kay walang banggitan ng kumpanya kasi sisigilin ko kayo. At syempre, kay si Tanya de la Costa, ang aming madam. Doc Bong, sa sunod, hindi na namin po i-reach. Kaya po, magpa-autograph na lang po habang maaga pa. Artista ka na talaga, Doc. Naku, yari tayo dyan. Ang good news ko lang po dito po sa family namin, sa BBM Media. Kay ito po ay pangalawang tahanan ni Doc Bong. Okay? Ang good news po natin ay meron na po tayong billboard sa Magallanes at ganun din po sa merong sa Green Hills. Nandun po yung ating layunin ng Wellness Pilipinas. Kasama po yung tinatawag po nating kay awarding bodies ni Doc Bong. Kaya na kung saan nagkataon po na ako ang presidente po ng 4th Southeast Asian Achievement Awards. At marami pong artista, maraming politician po na maging bahagi po nito sa mga susunod po na awarding bodies sa katapusan nitong buwan na ito. At syempre po, kapanayam na natin ngayon kay si Ma'am Iman straight from Saudi Arabia. Kay Ma'am Iman, nandiyan ka ba? Naku, yan naka-uniforme pa. Magandang gabi sa iyo, Ma'am Iman. Magandang gabi na ba dyan? Anong oras na sa inyo dyan?
Gandang hapon. Ano lang dito? 12 o'clock lang.
10 o'clock ng umaga pa lang dyan. Tama ba, ma'am?
Tanghali na po.
Tanghali na.
Tanghali na po.
Okay, sige, bumati ka muna sa lahat ng kababayan natin kasi si Ma'am Iman ay bahagi po yan ng wellness. Naku po, malalaman ninyo ang kwento ng buhay ni Ma'am Iman. Bago natin balikan ang usapan tungkol sa homeopathic medicine at Ayurvedic medicine mamaya-maya lamang. Go ahead, Ma'am Iman, bumati na kayo at magpakilala.
Tiradora, nandito po ako ngayon sa Saudi Arabia. Buong Pinas.
Yun, oh.
Lahat ating kaibigan at pamilya. Kamusta po?
Yun. Oh, yung mga anak mo na nakaantabay sa'yo, batiin mo na para kapag napanood nila to mamaya, they are so proud about their mom.
Tumulog lang yun.
Okay, Ma'am Iman, ang tanong, gaano ka nakatagal at kailan mo sinimulan para pag-aralan yung mga modalities mo na tumutulong ngayon sa kalusugan ng ating mga kababayan, maging ang ibang lahi in terms of wellness?
I simply started talk. 2018.
Mm-hmm.
Way back 2008 under based scholarship namin. And then, from then on, hindi naman po ako talaga focus dahil actually, Doc, an accounting graduate ako eh.
Ang layo, no? Ang layo.
86 sa PUP. So, ang career ko talaga is account. Pero ako nakafocus. Then, all the while, 2009, I went to Riyadh, and that's the time Saudi Arabia skills ko on massage. For me, ang massage, Doc, it's a vocation. It's a passion.
I agree with you.
I'm proud enough na mahal ako ng mga Arabo because of my skills.
Galing. Eh, ikaw pa naman ang minamasas mo, anak ng mga prinsipe at mga reyna.
2007, I met a Saudi woman na inisponsoran niya ako para magkaroon ng buong muda ng and continuously before po kayo to I was on my day prepare my line for healing therapy.
Okay.
And now, andito po uli ako pagkatiwalaan uli sa mga skill ko sunod na araw sa kanila. When I was in the Philippines, 11 months po akong on vacation, and I'm thankful na and dala ko sa clinic niyo po sa modality na pinagiliwan ng fusion facial massage.
Oo, sarap nun, ha?
Actually, yun din po ang talks. Natutunan po yung gumanda because yung guasya po is pero meron din po dyan na so
mga
ang
meridian
guasya po
points.
It's not just for education, but this is also for the lymphatic drainage mission.
Yun.
It opens the facial muscle and then it drains out that are in eat what we do and because of the pollution.
That's right. How long you have been doing your practice right now, Ma'am Iman?
Almost 15 years.
15 years. Okay.
All of these 15 years, I've been based Riyadh and then now Khobar.
Khobar, Saudi Arabia.
Yeah.
Okay.
Khobar, Arabia. And one thing, Doc, Pilipino sa Saudi na nag-attend on health services for being a massage, but nila dahil wala pa para sa naman makuha kayo.
Okay, paumanhin po sa lahat ng mga nanonood ngayon kung medyo po nagdadabing dahil po sa internet connection natin. Napakaganda po. Marami tayong matutunan dito. Ma'am Iman, pwede ba tayo mag-set ng second round? Sa mga susunod na araw para pag-usapan natin lalo yung practice mo. Ang last question ko lang sa'yo, ito. Are you benefited financially with the modalities and practice that you are doing right now?
Yes, Doc. Napatapos po yung mga anak ko. They are both enjoying emotionally, physically sa career na ito. Even po, pero dito po ako po ng
alright. Okay, can we set another day for another interview for you next week? Okay lang po ba yan, Ma'am Iman? Para ma-details natin ano ba ang nagagawa ng Gua Sha Fusion Facial Massage. At syempre po ano nagagawa.
Pwede po, Doc.
Yung ginagawa ng lymphatic drainage na kung saan napakahusay nyo pagdating dyan. I-set natin ng panibagong araw. Para sa ganon, ang maganda siguro nito, ahead of time, pwede nating i-tape na para sa ganon, sa pag-live natin ay hindi siya putol-putol. Ay, ang ganda-ganda ng sinasabi ninyo Sabi nung iba dito, Doc, putol-putol. Opo, hindi po namin kontrolado yon. Hindi po kami ang may-ari ng internet. Kami po'y nakikigamit lang ng internet. At syempre po, ang pagbati natin kay Ma'am Lovely Yvonne. At syempre kay Ma'am Marites Roselio na nanonood ngayon. Ma'am Iman, balikan ka namin sa mga susunod. Mapaalam na po kayo at pwede na kayong bumati. Go, go, go!
Unang-una po, maraming mga organizers councils headed by Ma'am Julio. At siyempre po, ako mga organizer na sa bumuot.
Alright, yan po si Ma'am Iman. Ang tabayanan po ninyo ang pangalawang segment ng aming panayam sa kanya sa susunod na araw. At syempre po maraming salamat at papupugay po sa inyo dahil po sa inyong ginagawa sa pagtulong para maging kondisyon ng kalusugan ng bawat taong inyo na panaglilingkuran. At syempre po ang pagbati muna po natin kay Cabrera Raquel na patuloy po nag-aantabay sa ating programa. Ngayon po, gawin po natin, balikan po natin yung mga practitioner natin sa wellness industry din. They are the wellness consultant. At patuloy po silang nagbibigay po ng aral para po maagapan at patulungan ng kalusugan ng mga pinaglilingkuran nila. Hi Doc, watching from San Juan, Kakulutod, Santa Rita, Pampanga. Paki-shout out po kay Lisa Sapanta and Eric Salenga. Okay, shout out po natin na si Ma'am Lisa at saka si Sir Eric mula po kay Ma'am Marites. Okay, at syempre po mamaya Ma'am Lovely, antabayanan po ninyo kasi yung link po dahil sa ating discussion regarding family, sex and relationship. Mas nauna na yung sex, relationship po na pala. Okay. Ay, antabayanan po ninyo, sesend namin sa inyo yung link mamaya. Alright, balikan po natin yung mga gwapong ating guest. Okay, nagaling sa India. Pero bago kasi siya na magtatapos ng ating programa, kausapin muna natin ng bahagya si Ma'am Evelyn, tapos si Sir Orly, and then mamaya lahat ng oras ay ibigay na natin kay Sir Niles. Okay? O Ma'am Evelyn, ngayon ang tanong, sa wellness po ba, nakatulong ba ito sa kalusugan mo at sa kabuhayan mo?
Yes. Opo, malaking tulong po sa amin. Una sa lahat, sa panahon po ngayon, Doc, bawal magkasakit.
Totoo yun.
Yan.
Kayo po ba si John Lloyd?
Yan.
Kasi ingat ang inasabi ni John
Opo.
Lloyd.
Totoo po yun. Bawal po magkasakit sa panahon po ngayon. Sabi nga, sa panahon ng krisis, di po ba? Yun. So, sa pamamagitan ng mga wellness po na ito, natulungan po yung family po namin. Kasi wala naman po kaming, hindi naman kami ganun kumbaga, sa financial, pero pagdating po dito, malaking tulong po.
Very good.
Para ma-prevent po yung mga sitwasyon na kagaya nung nagkakasakit ng mga matitindi, yung tipong mga ganun. So sabi nga nila, sa paligid mo lang yung iyong mga pagtulong
Tama.
sa iyong kalusugan.
Very good.
Yan. Yes,
Salamat. Napakaswerte talaga ni Sir Orly. Hindi nagkamali ang kasagutan sa panalangin mo, Sir. Kaya po, hindi ka dapat kinakailangan malungkot. Kasi ang kwento niyan, natutukan lang po ng shotgun si Sir Orly. Napikot po ba kayo, Sir? Hindi naman. Hindi naman. Alam mo, yung George Matias na kaibigan ko, nako, grabe, lagi napipikot yun. At siyempre po, si Dr. Shine ay nanonood na rin ngayon. Dr. Shine, may project tayong malaki. Kaya kailangan tayong join force para gawin ito. Okay, pa-shoutout po ang Super Lolo Show, ang programang para sa ating mga senior citizen. Hosted by Coach Goya, Coach Gaston Hoya. At si Ma'am Iman nanonood ngayon at pa-shoutout po, Kuyang, I love you. Akala ko sa babae ka lang nag-I love you, Kuyang. Pati ako, dinamay mo na. At syempre ngayon, alamin natin kasi nga po, pagdating sa traditional healing o healers, naku po, ang dami niyan sa India. Bakit po? Ang inyong lingkod ay nag-aral pa sa India para po malaman kung ano po ang nagagawa ng homeopathic medicine at ang Ayurvedic medicine. At isa po sa ating guest ngayon na walang iba kundi si Nilesh Patrawala ay taga-India at maraming alam ito tungkol po sa gamutan na ginagawa nila kasi ang paraan nila doon ang ina-address yung root cause ng karamdaman. Hindi po ginagamot doon yung tinatawag nating signs and symptoms. Agad-agad root cause ang ginagamot. Kaya po pagdating sa alternative medicine, India po talagang number 1 yan. Swerte po tayo, maliban sa gwapo na, hindi niya naintindihan man na yung gwapo kaya sasabi lang, he is dark, tall, dark, and handsome. This guest is tall, dark, and handsome. Si Dogbong po, tall, dark, and hansama. Tall, dark, and hansama. Okay, Sir Nilesh, can you tell more about Ayurvedic medicine and how does it work? Go ahead.
Yes, as I mentioned that basically in India, Ayurveda is still practiced in a lot of villages and lot of in fact suburbs and lot of cities also. It addresses to the root cause of your body.
That's right.
It addresses your cellular activities too. And the best part about the Ayurvedic medicine is that it has absolutely no side effects.
That's right. I agree with you.
It takes a little time to heal, but it will heal it from the root itself. So then again the problem won't persist.
Okay.
So I think so. It's a very, very good medicine, and in wellness, it's one of the most important thing that we practice in India.
All right. Okay, is from the expert itself, and I agree. I myself, yung pinakalolo po namin o yung my grandfather ko po is a traditional healer. Napakahusay po niyang manghihilot. Ang hindi ko lang po natanggap, maisalin yung bato sa akin. Pero pagdating po sa ganyang treatment na po, napakahusay po niyan, ha? Okay po, Doc. Good PM to all. Yan po ang pagbati ni Dr. Shine. The best ang Ayurvedic. I have been doing Ayurvedic prenatal massage here in Saudi and they love it.
Yes, the Ayurvedic massages are also good. In fact, I am a big fan of massage.
Wow.
And since last year before, since almost a year, every week I take a massage, and it has really helped me to not only improve my blood circulation, but it has also helped me in a lot of other things. Clarity of thinking. When there is clarity of thinking, it can help you in the business also, and definitely in all other aspects of your life.
That's right. Because the massage per se, okay, the main objective of massage is first is to reduce stress and tension. Then it will induce relaxation. When the body is relaxed, healing is possible. So healing will take place when the body is relaxed. And that is the beauty of massage. It regardless if this is Swedish massage, Satshu massage, Thai massage, traditional hilot massage, or Ayurvedic massage. Anything in form of massage will do. Kaya po, lagi po natin tandaan, if you are under stress, you have to do massage. Massage is a clean massage. There is no extra service. Because when you do extra service, you are not going to be relaxed. You will be going to be tense of emotion and panic disorder. Why? I don't know either. At syempre po, si Mabel is watching from Muntinlupa. Sayang di kami nag-meet Doc ng Doc of Ayurvedic. Yes. Kasi si Sir Niles po ay napakahusay. Yung understanding niya sa Ayurvedic medicine is much deeper. Why? Because he witnessed all those practices in a village. Ito po yung way of healing na ginagawa nila to address the root cause. Even in the Philippines, meron po tayong mga traditional healers. Hindi nga lang po nare-recognize ng gusto. At yan po ay bahagi na ginagawa natin. Sa Wellness Pilipinas po, ang tabayanan po ninyo, magkakaroon po tayo ng libreng gamutan dito. Naghahanap na po kami ng mga possible sponsor na meron pong mga supplement o may mga drugs na pwedeng maintenance for us when we conduct check-up with all those less fortunate na mga kababayan natin. Now, they are less fortunate. But soon, when they get healed, they will be a part of the program to promote total wellness to everyone. Kaya po, in Wellness Pilipinas in Action, maggagamot po kami dito ng libre para sa ating mga kababayan na ngayon ay kapuspalad. Kinapos dahil po dumaan ng pandemic. Pero pag nalaman po nila na dapat sila maging malusog para kumita ng pera, yan na po, makakabawi at maging bahagi na sila ng layunin po natin. Magiging biyaya sa mas nakakarami. Yan po yung hangarin natin. Pa-shoutout naman po from Ann and Art Loreno of Rizal. Sabi po ni Annabel Loreno. At yan po ay nanonood na ngayon. Dahil po sa programang Wellness Pilipinas, ang nais po namin makapaglingkod ng lubos at magbigay po ng kasiyahan sa inyo. Sir Niles, are you happy doing the wellness, being a wellness consultant?
Yes, I'm so happy because it has not only helped me to have a optimum health, but it has also helped me, my family, my friends, my colleague, my cousins. It has helped everybody.
So if ever that there is a time that we are able to conduct free check-up and free treatment here, are you gonna willing to help us?
Yes, why not?
If not, I will charge you now.
No problem.
Madaling kausap, no? Because what we are doing right now, because we are blessed, dahil meron tayong resources, then we want to be a blessing to many. When these people, they will get well, then they will be a part of our objective in life to promote total wellness.
Let me share one thing with you, Doctor.
Go ahead.
With your permission. The more you give, the more you get.
That's right.
It's very simple. If you give good health to a lot of people, definitely you will get good health.
That's
so
right.
I believe in that principle, and I believe in what good work you are doing. The more you do, the more you will get.
That's right. And the principle, one of the principles that I really love too is I live to give and I give to live. So again, to all those who are listening and watching this show, be a part and be a blessing to many. If you are a medical practitioner, you want to contribute your time for us in doing social responsibilities, you are much welcome. Because Wellness Pilipinas in Action, there is an endorsement from the Office of the President and from the Senate President itself. So it means we are about to conduct total wellness also in the House of Representatives this month of October. Be a part of this team because we are about to create a big track to promote total wellness, which is holistic on wheels. Is a combination of Western medicine and Eastern medicine in one vehicle. Promoting total wellness, we have X-ray, we have ultrasound, we have ECG, blood extraction, and so forth and so on the western side. And in the eastern side, we have the colonics. We have the TCM or acupuncture method of medicine. We have also the biosupper and other modalities wherein we go around from one town to another town until we saturated the whole Philippines. And then we go abroad also for international wellness Pilipinas group. Alright. Because of that, we are so grateful that those people who are with us today, si Brando Escalana is watching from Quezon City. And those people who wants to be a part of this Wellness Pilipinas in action, you are much welcome. So do you have any parting words from you, Ma'am Evelyn? Parting words po. Pwede na tayo pumarada. Go ahead.
Yes. So maraming salamat po, Doc, na naging part kami sa oras na iyong programa. Nawa, maging part din kami sa inyong wellness vision, sa inyong vision.
Yes.
Yun. So maraming salamat po.
Okay, ang sarap pala ng ngiti ng mga taong masaya sa asawa nila, no? Sabi nila, happy wife, happy life. Tama ba, Sir Orly? Okay. Napaka-behave ng asawa niyo, Ma'am Evelyn. Gusto ko siya maging kaibigan. Sir Orly, parking words.
Maraming salamat po sa pampapaulak na sa amin, Doc.
Opo.
Nawa hindi lang po to ngayon lang, nawa mangyari pa uli ng maraming bises na maging part din kami, makatulong din kami kung ano man ang kakayanan namin makatulong sa yung programa, nakahanda po kami.
May takot kay Dogbong itong dalawa. Handa na daw silang tumulong. O, di ba? Lalong matutuwa si Sir Benny niya, saka si Chairman Efren. Kasi may mga company na ngayon nag-commit sa amin na, okay, Doc, we able to donate this much of drugs and supplements so that you can, accommodate those people who are having this kind of diseases so we can address it. Until sa time, magawa po natin yung track. Kasi ngayon po, yung konsepto buo na, the whole concept is already there. The blueprint is already there. So the budget itself is allocating right now how to be able to complete that set of track. So ang target natin ay magkaroon po ng at least 30 tracks. 10 in Luzon, 10 in Visayas, 10 in Mindanao. And we have already partners to do that. So whoever companies that will help us through going with this program, then they have the greater advantage wherein we can promote whatever wellness product that they have to be a part of this great and wonderful mission. Okay, any parting words from India with love ba? Sir Niles, go ahead.
I would just like to say one thing. Marami salamat.
Now you speak in Tagalog. Why I'm getting hard time to speak English? My gulay.
And the message is very simple. Stay happy, stay safe. Thank you so much.
All right. And there is a greetings here. Hello, Dogbong. How are you? Pastor Brando here. Do you know Pastor Brando? Okay. Thank you that we able to become behave. There is pastor watching us. What if there is no pastor watching us? Oh, maybe there is some green jokes also. Huh? And then he said, kasama ko sila Coach Niles, Coach Orly, and Coach Evelyn. Okay, are you a playing coach? Right? In wellness, not in basketball court. Because if you are a playing coach, then you will be the next coach of Gilas Pilipinas. And also, Ma'am Nancy Valencia is watching from Bacolor, Pampanga. Pa-shout out naman po, Doc Pogi. Okay, maraming salamat po. Antabayanan po ninyo yung another segment of show. It's all about family, relationship, and sex. Then pag-usapan po natin ang pamilya, relasyon at ang inyong kasarian. Yung sex po na sinasabi, hindi po yan yung ginagawa. Kay kasarian po. At syempre po, kay yung mga guest natin dyan, yung magulang nila kagabi, ngayon mga anak naman. Okay? So at syempre po, maraming salamat sa inyong paggantabay at napasasalamat po natin sa ating mga technical na pwedeng ibigin, pwedeng mahalin, wag lamang angkinin. At syempre po, pasasalamat natin kay kila Sir Coach Gaston, kay Ma'am Mabel, at syempre po kay Ma'am Tanya at kay Ma'am Nelly, Sir Johnson at kay Sir Ambo, at maging sa ating Vice President at sa ating Station Manager, walang iba kundi si Sir Benny Maligdem. At syempre po sa ating Chairman, kay naku ang bait, kay matulungin, ang dami natutulungan, walang iba kung si Chairman Efren Rapanan. At syempre po ang Wellness Pilipinas, kay na ang founder po ninyo at chairman si Doc Bong Ramirez, ay patuloy po nagpapasalamat sa inyong pagtangkilik sa bahagi ng programang Wellness Pilipinas in Action. Ang tabayanan po ninyo, mamaya susunod na ang FRS. Maraming salamat po maging sa ating mga guests, kay Ma'am Evelyn, kay Sir Orly, kay Sir Niles, at ganoon din kay Ma'am Iman. Mabuhay po kayo, nawa ang gabay ng Diyos ang manguna at bibigay ng biyaya para sa gabay na inyong makukuha. Kasama po natin yung mga pastor. At syempre po kasama natin dyan si Kumar Pilus. Is that Kumar Pilus? Pius. Kumar Pius. This is from India. Oh, from Las Piñas. And Ann Ortega Mutiong. Hello. Hello too. Alright, thank you very much. And we'd like to ask you to like and share and do comments with this program and be our guest. Okay, thank you very much. And watch out for the next show is the FRS or Family Relationship and Trust. For the technical person again, thank you and good luck. Bye-bye. See you soon. Don't go away. There's a next show.
Wellness Pilipinas in Action.